Summers. I'm the service manager here at Gillie Hyde. The most asked question we get here in our new state-of-the-art service drive is, what are these things for? Well, that's why I do this little video. I'm going to describe to you what they do and tell you a little bit about it. What this is the Hunter Elite Hawkeye Quick Check Alignment Machine. What this is going to do, we're going to put these on the vehicle. It's going to give you a quick reading on the alignment angles on your vehicle. This will let you know if you have an alignment issue, which you may not have noticed in driving the car. Alignment will cause tire wear, which costs a lot of money. Make the car not perform or handle the way it should. We don't want that. So we're going to demonstrate this system for you so you see how it works, see how quick and easy it is, and the best thing, it's free for you to come and get this done. So let me show you here. I'm going to mount these sensors to the wheels, come around to this side, and we'll show you how quick and easy this process is. Each of these sensors will mount to the wheel. Simple as that right there. What these sensors are doing, they're actually reading. If you look up above our head here, there's a beam. There's a laser under these sensors to get the alignment readings and angles on your vehicle. Wheel number 3. Go to wheel number 4. Once we get wheel number 4, it will actually pick up the laser. If you look at the screen, it's going to actually compensate. So I'm going to roll the vehicle forward just a little bit. I'll see green. And I stop. Next step is going to be to make it personalized for your vehicle. We don't want to just put random numbers in here that don't mean anything. So we're going to scan your VIN number. That way it's specific to your particular vehicle that you own. Once we do that, all the information's in the system. And as you'll see, this particular vehicle is in perfect wheel alignment. Nothing's needed. That's how easy and simple it is. Feel free to drop by our service drive anytime. We're here from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock Monday through Friday and 7 to 2 on Saturdays. The alignment check is totally free. There is no charge to check your vehicle. We can do vehicles from small cars all the way up to even dualies. There's adapters to change for dualies. So run it by, let us check your alignment and see what kind of shape your vehicle's in. Thank you.